Hello, my name is Wendy Dela Cruz and I'm the Assessment Specialist for the district. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the Progress and Performance Matrix data and populate it by teacher or class period. If you are a campus level person, you can actually go and get the teacher's name over here from the recent student data. You got to get it in, make sure you're in the right column, so I need to get in the 5th grade section. And then I would get right here underneath testing instructor, but I'm not going to fill out this one because I'm doing this for a departmentalized teacher. So all of the testing instructors, because there's only one departmentalized reading teacher at this campus, this tab isn't going to give me any data. However, if you did have multiple teachers that you are running this for, all you would need to do is copy that teacher's name, go back to the teacher, and then paste it in that cell. Now, for that purpose, I did do Control-C, Control-V, and that seems to work good on that on those cells right there. And then that gives me. But again, this is a departmentalized teacher, so this is really only going to give me the same exact data as the all-student table. However, she's a departmentalized teacher, so I want to see how she's doing by class period. Okay, so again, I need to get the testing section teacher the exact same way that it's written on the recent student data tab. So I go here, again I get my 5th grade data, and I get exactly the way the testing section is written. So I'm going to copy it, Control-C, and then I'm going to go over here to my testing section, put my mouse in that cell, and then Control-V, and now I can see how this exact class period is doing. I can replicate this and do this for each of her class periods. I right-click on that tab, move or copy, and then I need to tell it where to put it, so I'm going to put it over here by the testing section, and I need to make sure I click Create a Copy. If I don't click this, then it's just going to move it, and it's not going to make an extra copy of it. So when I do that, I see another one come up, okay? And then I can go back to my recent student data tab, and then I can get another testing section. Control-C, testing section on number 2. I'm going to go up to that cell, and I'm going to Control-V. It changes, and you see those numbers change. And I can just keep doing this for every single class period I have, or different class periods with different teachers. You can break it out. So if you're like a middle school teacher and you do this teacher tab, that's going to give a teacher summary for all of their class periods. Okay. If you do the testing section tab, that's going to show the progress and performance matrix for each individual class period, each individual section of their courses. Okay. So it's very valuable data to break it out and see how teachers as a whole are doing versus how they're doing in each of their class periods. Okay? Please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, my name is Wendy Dela Cruz, W-D-E-L-A-C. If you need any help running this report, understanding this report, figuring out how you can use it to make gains and target students, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you. So those are the basic steps for populating the progress and performance matrix by individual teacher or individual class period at your campus. If you need any further support, don't hesitate to reach out, and you can get me by email at wdelac@neisd.net, or my phone number is 407-0067. Thank you.